be patient. It's almost there. Nasa Manitoba, nasa ano po yan? Fellow Park. Yeah. Everybody, one more time, ladies and gentlemen. Daddy Andy, Mommy Eds, and of course, none other than Zia, ladies and gentlemen. Please, mayayari. Ito po tayo.
Ito na lang.
Yeah. Everybody.
Happy birthday, Zia. Thank you for inviting us. Just want to share a short passage from the Bible. So, it says here, Jesus blessed the children. Then Jesus called for the children and said to the disciples, "Let the children come to me. Don't stop them, for the kingdom of God belongs to those who are like these children." So God is always looking for our children. God is guiding our children. And please surrender our children to God's kingdom. Amen. So I will...
If you can say something about your gift to our birthday celebrator, much better.
Hi, baby! This gift for you is, you asked me for it, you want it, and as much as I can, if you want something, Ate will give it to you. Thank you for being Ali's best friend. No, don't cry, baby. No, don't cry, it's okay. Thank you for always playing with Ali, and thank you for always playing with Sophie. Always remember Ate is here. I love you so much, baby. Happy birthday. I wish you more birthdays to come, and may your day filled with happiness and love with your loved ones here, with your family.
Thank you so much, Ninang Victorious. If you can just hand over your gift and stay at the middle, and we're going to have a nice photo souvenir. Done? Thank you so much, Ninang. Can you join Ate Angela? Alright, next, ladies and gentlemen, can you please put your hands for Ninang Che. Ninang Che, can you please come forward? Oh, maraming fans si Ninang. Ito po, baka hindi house and lot, brand new car.
Happy birthday, Sia. More birthdays to come. And enjoy your day. And stay happy. Always.
Thank you so much, Ninang. You know the drill. Hand over the gift and stay. Oh, be careful po. Can I have the microphone, please? Thank you. Stay there. Join our 7 gifts and gifts. All right. Next, ladies and gentlemen, can you please clap your hands for Ninang Rose? Ninang Rose. Maraming fans si Ninang. Yan. Mukhang mabigat, Ninang. Kailangan niyo ng tulong. Yan. Ninang?
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. And Zia, happy birthday. And I hope, I'm not saying a lot of words for you because you don't understand, because you're still 7, but still, this is a young lady's the start where she knows right and wrong. But I wish and pray that the parents will guide her into the right path and wisdom according to God's will. Happy birthday, Zia.
Thank you so much, Ninang Rose. Well said. Yan po. Ano po yung... Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Next, ladies and gentlemen, can you please clap your hands to Tita Jen. Naku, ang daling fans ulit. Dito po.
Hello, Sia. Happy 7th birthday. Enjoy your day today and more birthdays to come and more candles to blow. That's 7.
Thank you so much. Now you may hand over your gift and, of course, keys. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Next, ladies and gentlemen, can you please clap your hands for Tita Irene? Nagulat si Tita. And...
Oo, na-ambush ako sa gift eh. Happy birthday, Sia. Be a good girl. Always pray and follow mom and dad. Okay? Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Tita Irene. You know the drill? Thank you so much, guys. Alright, last but not the least for this afternoon, can you please clap your hands for Tita Chini, ladies and gentlemen. Maraming mga fans, yung mga ninang and tita.
Hi, Sia.
Zia, happy 7th birthday. God bless you and sana lumaki kang mabait at maganda. That's it.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, may I request all the 7 gifts and wishes if we can just gather around Zia. Everybody, Tita Angela, everybody stay here. Alright. Alright, everybody smile. Wear your best smile, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you so much. Wala bang wacky pose dyan? Wacky. Funny pose. Funny pose. Yan. Walang kamatayan. I love you po ni. Thank you so much. 7 wishes. Please be careful po. Pagbaba ng stage. Alright, now we are now going to proceed with our 7 balloons. For Ate Rian. Yan. Ate. Wow. Alright, hold that one. Alright, Ate Rian, stay here. Alright, next, ladies and gentlemen, can you please put your hands to Ate Sam. Ate Sam, ladies and gentlemen, can you please clap your hands for Ate Sam? Nasaan po si Sam? Ayan na po. Wala bang mga dance step dyan? Gusto niyo ba yung K-pop? Soda pop? Thank you so much, Ate Sam. Next, ladies and gentlemen, can you please clap your hands for Gia? Alright, come on. Hand over your balloons. Golden K-pop. Thank you so much, Zia. Now, can you please clap your hands for Tita Emily, guys? Tita Emily. May kasamang ampaw sa loob ng balloon. Ayan. Thank you so much. Next, Tita Mary. Alright, next, ladies and gentlemen, Nina Susan. Thank you so much. Alright, last but not the least, Allison, ladies and gentlemen, can you please clap your hands for Allison? Alright, all together, participants for the 7 balloons, if you can stay at the center, and I want everybody to please greet Zia happy birthday. All together. Alright, all together. Oh, natatakpan lang po. Yeah. Not behind the balloons because you are not seeing the photo. Alright, everybody guys. Alright, look at you guys. Alright, everybody, can you please greet Zia a happy birthday. Go. Alright, happy birthday, everybody, to Zia, guys. 7 balloon. Hey, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Can you please clap your hands for the participants for the 7 balloons? Multitasking. Sayaw po natin. If we can just move around the... Yeah.
Here comes the sun.
Ang gandang kanta, no? It's coming from Beatles. Alright, thank you so much. We have Justin and Kia in the rose to... Alright. Dance a bit. A little bit. Look at the camera. Look at the center. Look at our audience. Practice po yan sa 18 kumili na po yan. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. We have Jacob. Yeah, ikot mo lang. Yeah. Don't worry guys, nandito tayo ng 12 in the evening. Nirentaan po ni Mami and Daddy. Meron pong palugaw si Mami and Daddy dito. Yan. Dapat ganyan, guys.
Yeah, cute.
Yan. Alright. Look at the camera. Thank you so much. What a beautiful song. Gift. Tama? Good gift. Guys, practice na po ito sa 18th birthday. Preparation po yan. Because after the 7th, next is 18th birthday celebration po.
All I need is you more every day. You save my heart from being broken.
Smile. Look at the official photographer from Party Pics Photo Booth. Thank you so much. So I want to clap your hands, ladies and gentlemen. The handsome daddy in the house. None other than Daddy Andy. Everybody. Ang hindi pumalakpak, hindi kakahit. Gulo mamaya.
I will protect you from all around you. I will be here, don't you cry.
Wala bang mga kamay? Come on, guys. You have to support, show your support by clapping your hands. Yeah. Wow, perfect 360 foot. Ladies and gentlemen, can you please clap your hands for the handsome Daddy Daos, Daddy Andy, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, participants, for the 7 flowers or rose. If you can just line up here. Yeah. Line up. You want to go back at the stage? Thank you. Participants for the 7 rows. Alright. After this one, ladies and gentlemen, participants for the 7 candles, please stand by. Then after the candles, we are now going to sing happy birthday to our dear Zia. Then after the birthday song, you know, the most awaited part is the eating time. Everybody, look at guys. Thank you so much, 7 flowers or roses, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, can you please clap your hands? Irene, if you can come forward. Irene, come forward. Join Alexa on the stage. Guys, we are now going to light the candle all together once I completed the 7 candles, alright? Next, ladies and gentlemen, please clap hands for Mary Brielle. Mary, everybody, parents of the stage, palakpak naman po dyan. Thank you so much. If you can join. Next, ladies and gentlemen, can you please clap your hands for Julia? Julia? Alright. Next, ladies and gentlemen, can you please clap your hands for Ate Ting Ting? Thank you so much. Of course, our 6 candles for this afternoon, Ate Shane. And to complete our 7 candles and wishes, ladies and gentlemen, everybody, can you please clap your hands for Mommy? It's, ladies and gentlemen, Mahina. Come on, guys! Yeah. Sasayaw si Mommy. Alright. Now, I will be passing the microphone, quick wish, then we are going to light our candle.
Hi Zia, happy birthday. And I hope you know that I'm always gonna be here to be your ate. And I really hope that 7 treats you up because I want you to know that I'm always here for you. I'm always here to be your ate, Zia.
Pinapayak ni.
Okay.
Happy thoughts. Happy thoughts.
Happy birthday, Zia. You're really funny and you look so pretty in your dress right now.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday. I will be always here for you.
Thank you so much. Straight from the heart, ladies and gentlemen. Next.
Happy birthday, Zia.
Alright. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Next.
Daisy, and I'll always be your best friend.
Thank you. Wow. BFF for life. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. All together, clap your hands, everybody. Stay there, stay there. Alright, group picture, tapos na po. Alright, now, ladies and gentlemen, oh, si Mami, of course. Yung tubig po, saka yung tissue. Yeah.
Don't cry. As you turn 7, just keep dream bigger and shine brighter as you are right now. So, happy birthday and 1 for 3.
Wow, 14344. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Now, at this point in time, we are now going to sing happy birthday to our dear Zia. So I'll be lighting the candle once again. Everybody!
Happy birthday to you.
Everybody, please!
Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more time!
Happy birthday to you.
One more time.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend.
Alright, say cheese, ladies and everybody, cheese! Alright.
silver, but watching you stand alone. All of my doubts suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I had died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I had loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. Time stands still. Beauty and no, she is. I will be brave. I will not let anything take away. Standing in front of me, every break, every hour has come to this. One step closer. I had died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I had loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. And all alone I believe I will find you. Time has brought it hard to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more.
Wala bang mga kamay? TikTok! TikTokers, ladies and gentlemen. Siguro kasama si Mami, siguro mas maganda, no? Gusto mo makita si Mami? Oh, Mami! Mami! Say Mami! Mami! Next one.
Hey, girl, you have a perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile.
Tita Irene, can you please join us here? Magaling pala sumayaw sa tita doon sa likod, eh, oh. Yun pala nag-choreograph. Tita!
Perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile. Perfect body with a perfect smile. So refreshing. My little soda pop. You're all I can think of. Every drop I drink of. You're my soda pop. My little soda pop. Pull me down your
Pati yung DJ nata nag-choreograph, eh.
You're my soda pop. My little soda pop.
There we go. 1, 2, and 3. Nothing here, nothing here. 1, 2, and 3. Ladies and gentlemen, front and back. Front and back. Front and back. Alright, what's our magic password for this afternoon? What? I can barely hear you. What? What's the magic word? What? Happy birthday? Zia. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Still nobody's clapping their hands. Wow, it's magic. Thank you. Alright, everybody, can you please clap your hands for Zia? Everybody! Zia, can you please clap for one? Alright, stay here. Watch carefully, guys. Alright, stay in the camera. Slow. Alright, stay here. Stay here. Slow. No, right here. It's not going to hit. It's not going to hit. And you don't so much, Tina. Alright. You wanna see more music, guys? See more music? Alright, can you sing it for us? One, two, and three. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. Let's do one next, guys. You wanna see more magic? Alright. You wanna see more or more? Okay, let's do more magic, guys. Okay. Here we go. Okay, happy here. Let's start the guys. 1, 2, and yeah. Twist your body going at the center. Twist your body. Ayan. Guys, pumasok hindi. Pumasok hindi. Pasok na pasok. Nakita niyo, nasa loob na eh. Alright, now ladies and gentlemen, my next question for you guys, which is more important, the head or the carrot? The head or the carrot, which is more important, the head or the carrot, kids? The carrot, thank you so much. Alright, now, this is the real magic, guys. Nobody will close your eyes. Remember, smile and give your prize. Thank you. Smile, don't worry. Just turn your back. Turn your back now. Turn your back. No, turn your back. Show me so that. Alright. Okay, everybody. I want everybody in the house to please count 1 to 3. Stop shaking, stop moving. Mas masakit po yung bukol. Mas masakit yun eh. Okay. Buddy, relax. What's the name of your beautiful wife? Alright, repeat after me. I want you to scream or shout. The louder, the better. To my beloved Angela. Come on. Ayan na. Shortcut na. Do we have any insurance broker in the house? Insurance broker? Do we have any first aider in the house? Saan po yung pinakamalapit na hospital po dito? Grace Hospital, right? Victoria. I mean Victoria, Portage. Alright, let's do this. Are you now guys ready to do this? Are you now guys ready to watch this? Parang hindi. Are you now guys ready? Alright, let's do this, ladies and gentlemen. Sir, nararamdaman mo po yan? Wala na. Wala na? Wala? Meron. Relax. Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Kids, nobody will cry, nobody will... Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Ladies and gentlemen, please clap your hands. Tignan niyo po yung nanginig po. Oh. You are still alive. I told you guys, nothing will happen because I'm a great magician. Alright, give me your hand.